Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all of you. I am Sanjay Singh Tomar, your maths mentor, and I welcome you all on the platform of Exampur, guys, in this very exciting arithmetic practice session class, what we are conducting. So please do join, and once you join, do not forget to let me know by your comments. And once you join, do not forget to let me know by your comments. Hello Harika, hello Shrivani, very good afternoon to all. I hope you all are very, very good. Yeah, you all are very, very good. Okay, so please do join fast, and once you join, you can let me know by your comments as well. This is the last question what we have discussed, so we will discuss after it. This is the last question what we have discussed, so we will begin after this, yeah? Okay. I hope you remember this. Hello Ram, hello Shrivani, hello Harika. You remember this now? So this is where we left yesterday. Now let's begin after it. Let the journey begins. Yeah, DI. DI do comes, guys. DI also comes. So we should be ready for it. We should be ready for it as well. If 10% of the girls from the college A are transferred to the college E, if 10% of the girls from the college A are transferred to college E, what is the percentage increase in the number of the girls in the college E? Total number of students is given as 1800 and the information given. Hello everyone, guys, keep on sharing as well. Okay, total number of students 1800, percentage of students given. This. So, if you want to find out the exact value, you can. Total is 1800. Total is 1800. So 20% is going to be 360. Divide 360 in the ratio 4:5. Divide 360 in the ratio 4:5, 9, 360, 140. So 4, 160, and this is 200. 10% of the girls of A, 10% of 200, 20. 20 transferred from A to E. How many in the E initially? 10%, 180. Divide 180 in the ratio 2:5. So 5 is 180, 1 is 36, 3 is 108. So in the A, initially there was 108 girls. In the E, initially there was 108 girls. In the E, initially there are 108 girls, and you are transferring 20 extra. And you are transferring 20 extra. Listen me very carefully. Initially, they are 108 and you are transferring 20 extra. What is the increment? The increment is 20 over the original value. Over the original value. Which comes out to be 54. So 1000 by 54. Looking like less than 20%, little bit less than 20%, but definitely more than 15%. Definitely more than 15%, yeah? Because 15% of this would be near about 700 or maybe 800. So it's near 20%. When you solve it, I can take the guarantee it will come C. I can take the guarantee when you solve it, it will come C. So this much far options is like easy for us. This much far options is like easy for us. Correct? Correct, guys? Please, if there are any doubts, any concerns, do ask me. If there are none, then do let me know as well. Okay. Okay. Let's move on. Price of the sugar increased by 18%. A person wants to increase his expenditure by 12% only. By what percentage, correct to one decimal place, should he decrease his consumption? Should he decrease his consumption? Price of the sugar increased by 18%. Expenditure increases by 12%. By what percentage, correct to one decimal place, should he decrease his consumption? Expenditure is equal to price into consumption. Expenditure increasing by 12%. So can I say from 100 to 112? Price increasing by 18%. Can I say from 100 to 118? What is the change in the consumption? We will get to. So consumption is basically becoming 112 divided by 118. How we will interpret this data? How we will interpret this data? That consumption was initially 118 and now it has become 112. So there is a decrement of 6. There is a decrement of 6 over 118 into 100. There is a decrement of 6 over 118 into 100. Guys, can we approximate it to? Can we approximate it to 120? Okay, means you are increasing the denominator. Means you are increasing the denominator. Your value should decrease. Actual value should be higher than it. Actual value should be higher than it. Actual value 5. So actual should be greater than 5. That is 5.1. A little bit, not that much. Bharat, Shrivani, Pragati, Ram, Harika, everyone. So wonderful. So wonderful. Great to have you all over here. Next. Come on. What is the ratio of boys and girls in the college A and B together? What is the ratio of boys and girls in the college A and B together? Can I say boys in A and B and girls in A and B? They are asking the ratio of boys in A and B and girls in A and B. How many of you have interpreted like this only? How many of you are interpreting like this only? And how many of you are interpreting like this? Guys, how do you are interpreting it? Is it boys in A plus B upon girls in A plus B? or it is boys plus girls in A or boys plus girls in B. What is the ratio of boys and girls? So ratio is written with boys and girls. That is, you have to take the ratios of boys and girls. You have to take the ratios of boys and girls. So boys and girls in A and B together. So which interpretation is correct? Which interpretation is correct? This interpretation is correct. Boys in A plus B upon girls in A plus B. Boys in A plus B upon girls in A plus B. Yeah. That is your CGL 2023. Do you want to deal in the percentage? Do you want to deal in the percentage? Or do you want to deal in the actual values? So actual value was 20%, 360. So values are 9, 360, so 160, 200. 18%. Oh ho ho. What is 18%, guys? What is 18%? 324. Divided in the ratio 2:1. So you will say, sir, 3 is equal to 324. 1 is equal to 108. 108 and 216. So boys in A plus B are 160 plus 108. Boys in A plus B are 160 plus 108. And girls in A plus B are 200 and 216. $268 upon 416. Simplify by 4. 4 6 ja 24. 4 7 ja 28. 4 1 ja 4. 4 4 ja 16. Has anyone done it by the percentage as well? I like the percentage way of doing. I like the percentage way of doing. That would be like this. 20%. So boys are 4 by 9 of 20% here. And here boys are 1 by 3 of 18%. Here girls are 5 by 9 of 20%. And here girls are 2 by 3 of 18%. This is a stylus, isn't it? Guys, this is a stylus, isn't it? So 80 by 9 plus 6 upon 100 by 9 plus 12. 100 by 9 plus 12. 9 6 ja 54. 54 plus 80 is 134. Divide by 9. Divide by 9 will cancel in the denominator as well. 108 plus 100, 208. Which is more stylus? Bacha, which is more stylus? Huh? You can do whatever you like it. You can do whatever you like it, yeah? Correct? Correct? Yeah, then there is no need of 1800, nothing, because the ratio, in the ratios, actual values are not important. In the ratios, actual values are not important. In the ratios, actual values are not important. You have to find out the ratio. Okay. Why not do a plus b, a minus b? Why not do a plus b, a minus b? Yeah, I can put the values as well, but even we can do a plus b, a minus b as well. Yeah, no issues. Even we can do a plus b, a minus b as well. So, what is the sum of these two? In the sum, only opposite sign, only a will remain 2a. And in the difference, guys, same opposite signs will remain. So it is 2b, 2c minus 2d. 2 will come outside, 4a, b plus c minus d. One of the way. Another way is putting the values. Assume A, B, C, D according to your choice. Which option satisfies is your answer. Like you assumed A, B, C, D as 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So, 3 minus 3, 0 ka square, 0. And 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So, it is also what? अच्छा, A को 0 मत मानो, otherwise all options will become 0. Don't assume A as 0. Otherwise all options will become 0. So, 0, 1, 2, 3. So, it is about 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 0, 6 ka square, 36 minus 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 1, 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0, 36. Whatever will give you 36 is your answer. By putting the values. So by putting the values, I think this will come out to be true. Yeah. That is what I said. So these small care should be taken. Very easy here. Yeah, Shri Lakshmi, Pragati, I have already told you by using the formula of a square minus b square. A minus b, a plus b. That is also we can use. Then change the values. Take d anything else other than 0. Price increase by 20%. 20% is from 5 to 6. So consumption will change from 6 to 5 because you want to keep the expenditure constant. So there is a decrement of 1 in the consumption over 6, which is 16.2 by 3%. That is not a mains. However, these kind of question will also come in the mains, but for this question we have not planned the session. Okay. Oh wow, it's a good one. These kind of questions are coming a lot nowadays. These kind of questions are coming a lot nowadays. Yeah. Tan theta minus cot theta is equal to cosec theta. Lot of such questions are coming these days like this. Lot of these questions are coming these days, guys, based on this. Yeah. When you think of solving sine by cos, cos by sine is equal to 1 by sine. Take sine cos in the LCM. So it will become sine square theta minus cos square theta. 1 upon sine theta. So what you are seeing that it is becoming a quadratic. It is becoming a quadratic. It is becoming a quadratic, like 2 cos square theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to G. So obviously we would not be going for this way. Obviously we would not be going for this way. Then what is the other way possible? Then what is the other way possible? The other way possible is go for the values. Go for the values. Think of values which can reduce this work. Why not take 10 as root 3 first? So cot will become 1 upon root 3. And it will give 3 minus 1, 2 by root 3. Is it ever the value of cosec theta? Yeah. Is it ever the value of cosec theta? Yeah. This happens at 60 degree. And these are also the values of 60 degree. So you can go for 30 degree or 60 degree. You can go for 30 degree or 60 degree. So 60 degree have satisfied the equation. 60 degree have satisfied the equation. If 60 degree have satisfied the equation, then your answer is 2 tan 60 root 3 cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cot 60 1 by root 3. Sec 60 2. 2 root 3 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 3. 2 root 3 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 3. Take this 2 over here. 4 root 3 minus 1 by 6. So these kind of questions are now coming a lot. So whenever this question will come in your shift, definitely it will come in your shift as well. Definitely it will come in your shift as well. So when it will come in your shift, guys, please make sure that whenever this kind of linear equation is given, your thought process would be going towards 30 or 60. Your thought process would be going towards 30 or 60. I can show you some examples how these questions will look like. Yeah. I can show you some examples how these questions will look like. Okay. These questions would be looking like this. Cos theta minus sine theta is equal to cosec theta. These questions would be looking like these, guys, which cannot be simplified, and which would be becoming a quadratic on simplification. So in all these questions, you would be always going for value putting. In these questions, you would be always going for value putting. Is the logic is clear? Is the logic is clear? Is the logic is clear? What are the questions? What are the questions I'm telling? Okay. In a figure, two circles with center P and Q. Touch externally at R. Tangents AT and BT meet the common tangent TR at T. AP is known 6. PT is known 10. What is BT? What happened, Harika? How? How? If this is 6, this is 10, then 80 is 8. Then 80 is 8. From a point outside, two tangents drawn to the circle are equal. So if this is 8, this is also 8. From external point, two tangents drawn to the circle are of equal length. So if this is 8, this is also 8. Okay. Again, two tangents drawn from a circle from external point are of equal length. If this is 8, this is also 8. Two tangents drawn from external point to a circle are of equal length. So if this is 8, this is also 8 here. Next. Ram, you also get C as the answer? I will see it after this one. I will see it after this one. That why it is happening. So C is what I marked as well, na? C is what I also said, na? Then what is the big deal in it? Easy. It starts from 6 a.m. It starts at 6:20 a.m. Moving with the speed of 48 and moving with the speed of 55. And moving with the speed of 55. Okay, it traveled for how much? 20 minutes. It traveled for 20 minutes. Yeah. 20 minutes is 1/3 hour. How much distance traveled? 16 kilometer distance traveled. How much is remaining? How much is remaining? 428 minus 16. 428 minus 16. 412 is remaining. 412 is remaining. Now both will move towards each other with the relative speed. Now both will move towards each other with the relative speed. So they will meet after 412 with the relative speed of 103, 4 hours. They will meet after 4 hours. They will meet after 4 hours. 4 hours after when? After 6:20. 4 hours after when? After 6:20. So 6:20 plus 4, 10:20 is the meeting time. 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 It's not a bad time. 10:20 a.m. is the meeting time. Next. Come on, do it. Do it fast. Well done, Shrivani, Ram, Pragati, Harika, and all others. A, sell an article to B at the loss of 20%. B sell it to D at a profit of 12.5%. C sell it D at a loss of 8%. If the D buys it for 248.40, what is the difference between the loss incurred by A and C? Oh, quite a question. Yeah, quite a question. A sell the article at a loss of 20%. So A, B, C, D. Article of 100 is being sold for 180. 80. Loss. So A bear the loss of 20. A bear the loss of 20. A has to bear the loss of 20. The thing is that A has to bear the loss of 20. Okay, great. Okay. B sell it to C at a profit of 12.5%. Now, 12.5% is 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 profit. So 80, 1 by 8 of 80 is 10 rupees profit. 90. Perfect. 12.5% is 1 by 8. So B got a profit of 10 because 1 by 8 of 80 is 10. C suffers a loss of 8%. 8 9 is 72, so suffered a loss of 7.2. Suffered a loss of 7.2 and finally sold it for 82.8. And finally sold it for 82.8. 82.8 is being given as 248.4. Very clearly looking 3 times. 8 3s are 24, 8 3s are 25. What is the difference between the loss incurred by A and C? How much loss incurred by A? 20. Okay, since it is being already told over here the loss, so we need not to take the negative sign. Since both of them are facing the loss, so we are not taking the sign. If one was facing loss and one was having a profit, then we need to take the sign as well. Are you getting my point? Since both of them are having the loss only, so sign is not important now. If one was having profit, another was having loss, then sign would be important as well. So one is having a loss of 20, another is having a loss of 7.2. So effective loss, like difference of the loss is 12.8. 1 is equal to 3, so 12.8 is equal to. Please do watch out and do it. Please do watch out and do it. Since both are losses, so I am not taking their sign. Since both are losses, that is why I am not taking their sign. If one would be profit, one would be loss, I would be taking out their signs. Clear? Clear? Four men, 6 women. Four men, 6 women can complete a piece of work in 5 days, whereas 3 men, 4 women can do it in 7 days. How many men should assist 25 women to complete 2.5 times of the same work in 5 days? Gomaya hai. Very, very mains oriented. Very, very mains oriented. Try to be fast, guys. I will also do it with my original speed. Yeah. Guys, I will also do it with my original speed. You will see it. Once I will do it with my original speed, then guys, we will discuss it later and clear any doubts if remains. Four men, 6 women can complete a piece of work in 5 days, whereas 3 men plus 4 women can complete the same piece of work in 7 days. Okay. Oh, I'm not explaining it now. 20 men. A teacher cannot stop explaining. Yeah. A teacher cannot stop explaining. It becomes very difficult for him to stop explaining. So man is equal to 2 women. It becomes very difficult for a teacher to stop explaining. Even while doing as well, he explains. Yeah. So how many men should assist 25 women to complete 2 by 5 of the same work in 5 days? Okay. 2.5, that is 5 by 2 of the same work. 5 by 2 of the same work, you can take this work here. You can take this work over here. So what is the work? 4 men plus 6 women in 5 days. So if you want to put the efficiency, you can put the efficiency as man over woman as 2:1. So man is 2, woman is 1. 8 plus 6, 14 into 5 is the total job. You want to see that how many men should assist 25 women. Okay. So let's suppose, guys, you want this work to be done by 25 women and women efficiency is 1. Let's suppose X men are there. Okay. X men are there. $175 is equal to 25 plus X men. 150 is equal to X men. क्या कुछ पंगा कर दिया क्या मैंने? Have I done something पंगा? In 5 days. In 5 days, na? In 5 days. So 175 is equal to 125 plus 5x man. 50 is equal to 5x. So x man is equal to 10. Man is having an efficiency of 2, so x is 5. दोबारा करना पड़ेगा. I will have to do it once again. However, our answer is correct. Everything is correct, but again for the speed, we need to do it once again. Again for the speed, we need to do it once again. Everything is correct. Yeah. Answer is 5. Answer is 5. Because man efficiency is 2. Because man efficiency is 2. So I put the man efficiency as 2 and count. Now, guys, I want to do it by conversion. Yeah. I want to do it by conversion. Because I like the conversion most. Like, I like the conversing way of doing the most. 1 man is equal to 2 women. Men's are required, na? So first, initially try to convert everything into women. 1 man is 2 women, so 4 men is 8 women. 8. So 8 women plus 16 women can do the work in 5 days. Or you can say 14 women can do the work in 5 days. Or you can say 14 women can do the work in, 5 days. Now, you want to do 5 by 2 times of this work? You want to do 5 by 2 times of this work, which means 35 women for 5 days are required. 35 women for 5 days are required, but you have 25 women for 5 days. So can I say 10 women more required? Can I say 10 women more required? And 10 women is equal to 5 men. Majedar solution. मजेदार solution. What did I just do? So, when you will do 5 by 2 of this work, it is 35 women can complete the work in 5 days. You have only 25. You have only 25 for 5 days. So, 10 women extra needed. 10 women extra needed. And 10 women is equal to 5 men. Come on. Tell me. 25 women can do the work in 5 days from this equation. We have 35 men can do the work in 5 days. We have 25 women for 5 days. So 10 more required. 10 more required. 10 women is equivalent to 5 men. Yeah. Great. Ratio of two amounts is 12:13. Amounts means sum, hai na? Sums. Now, if they are lent out at CI for 4 and 5 years respectively, and the equal amount is received, find the rate. Amounts means sums. I know, guys, you have a decent English. You will not be confusing this amount to that amount. Yeah, that is this much English you should be knowing. That this amount is denoting the sum and that amount is denoting the principal and amount. Doable. Let the first principal is 12K. Amount is A is equal to P1 plus R upon 100 की power n. First amount is equal to second amount. Power 4 will cancel out the power 5 and only power 1 will remain. And only one power will remain. So you will say, sir, 12 by 13 is equal to 1 plus R upon 100. 12 by 13 is equal to 1 plus R upon 100. Why it is coming negative? Bigger amount should be at a smaller time and smaller should be for the bigger time. पता है आपको? Technical error. Technical. A smaller amount should be lented for the more time. A smaller amount should be lented for the more time. Then only it can become equal to the more amount lented for the smaller time. Technical error. मजा आ गया. Technical error. Yeah. So technical error. Make the power 5 here and make the power 4 here. So 1. So 1 plus R upon 100 is equal to 13 by 12. So 13 by 12 minus 1 is equal to R upon 100. 1 by 12 is equal to R by 100. Rate is 8.33%. Anyone else have identified this error? Anyone else have identified this error? Techno error. Okay, sum of money is invested in 3 different banks. In SBI at the rate of 6% per annum for 5 years. In ICICI at the rate of 8% for 4 years. In Bank of India at the rate of... no, you would have got negative. Harika, you would have got negative rate. Negative rate. Because a lower sum lent for lower time can never become equal to a more sum lent for more time. Received the same SI in each case. Received the same SI in each case as same. What is the condition for receiving the same SI? The condition for receiving the same SI is P1 ratio, P2 ratio, P3 should be in the inverse ratio of rate and time. R1 T1, R2 T2, R3 T3. The principles would be in the inverse ratio of rate into time. First rate 6 for 5 years. Second rate 8 for 4 years. Third rate 5.5 for 6 years. Do you want to simplify anything or not? 1 by 30, 1 by 32, 1 by 33. Okay. Multiply by their everything, like 30 into 32 into 33. Hota hai na? Or you can do the hide and seek as well. What is hide and seek? What is hide and seek? Hide this. This is your answer. 32 into 33. Hide this. 33 into 30. Hide this. 30 into 32. So, first simplify by 3, it's becoming 11. It's becoming 11. It's becoming 10. Now simplify by 2, it's becoming 16. It's becoming 15. And it's becoming 16. 16 into 11, 176. 15 into 11, 165. 160. Hide and seek. Hide and seek, yeah. Got it? Got it, guys? Got it? Come on, to tell me. Option number C. Option number C. Okay, what is the condition for? What is the condition for amount same? What is the condition for amount same? The condition for amount same is P1 ratio, P2 ratio, P3 is 1 upon 100 plus R1 T1, 1 upon 100 plus R2 T2, 1 upon 100 plus R3 T3. By doing this, guys, you can save a lot of time. By directly remembering the results, you can save a lot of time. By directly remembering the results, you can save a lot of time. Okay, 165. A. Okay. So directly remembering the results, you can save a lot of time, guys. Quite a lot of time. 8400 becomes 11046 at 8.75% per annum in a certain time. What is the simple interest on the rupees of 9600? At the same rate for the same time. Okay. If rate is same, time is same, what remains? What remains? If rate is same, time is same, SI is directly proportional to principal. If rate is same, time is same, what remains? SI is directly proportional to principal. Okay? So, if on the principle of 8400, you were getting an interest of how much? 2646. 2646. If on the principle of 8400 you are getting an interest of 2646, then on the principle of 9600, how much interest you will get? Then on the principle of 9600, how much interest will you get? Twelve 7 84, 12 8 7 3 21, 54, 7 7 49, 7 8 56. So you will get an interest of 378 into 8. Great approach. Good approach. Good approach. I still remember this question was being asked in CHSL 2020, and the moment it was asked that day, on the very same day I was doing the discussions and where I discussed this method. That was back in 2021 or maybe 2020. Yeah, some of you would have been there in that class as well. The day this question was come. And I was doing the discussions. Where I observed that since rate and time is same, so SI should be directly proportional to principal. So if principal is in the ratio 7:8, SI should also be in the ratio 7:8. Principal is in the ratio 7:8. SI should also be in the ratio 7:8. Initial SI was 2646. So this is a multiplication factor of 378. So final SI is 8 into 378, 3024. Perfection. Chalo, let's wind up the class. Otherwise, someone will again come and will say, yeah, sir, in recent TIER-2. Oh, wow, great. So, all the quality questions of CHSL, CGL, they like circulate among themselves. Okay. So, take care of yourself, guys. I'm putting the pen down for today. Let's meet you tomorrow. I will plan a marathon most probably for the TIER-2 guys only. You can tell me the topic as well so that I would be taking the marathon of your choice. Guys, you can let me know the topic as well. However, it's still the quite 1 or 2 minutes is remaining. Quickly tell me the topic, guys, on which you want to do the practice with me. Thank you very much. Shrivani, Ram, and all others. Take care of yourself. Have a great time. Okay. Thank you, Bharat, Harika. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. Have a great time. Okay. So, advance. Okay. Okay, guys. I will make it in the advance only. I will make it on the advance. Mix advance. Okay, mix advance. Bye-bye. Check yourself.